In previous program, we have declared a character array, namely 1. We have initialized this character array by the string OK so. Now after initialization, automatically the last character is /0, which is a string termination character. After that, we have declared a second array, namely 2. This array is not initialized. Then we have declared two pointers. These pointers are ptr1 and ptr2. Both these pointers are character type of pointers. Now you see, we have assigned the address of array 1 to the ptr1, so that ptr1 is pointing to the array 1. This means we have assigned the address of first element 404 to the ptr1, and that's why ptr1 contains the address of the array 1. Is it clear? After that, we have assigned the address of second array, namely 2, to the ptr2, and hence 1174, the address of first element of the array 2, is assigned to the ptr2. Hence ptr2 contains address of the array, namely 2. This means ptr2 is pointing to the character array 2. Now remember one thing, here I have selected dimension of the array 2 is equal to 7. In the program I choose dimension is equal to 20. For simplicity and for drawing the diagram, I have selected the dimension is equal to 7. Okay, understood the point? Well, now you see, after this we will execute the while loop, this one. Now you see, we'll see the first pass of the while loop. In the first pass, let us see the first statement, that is star ptr2 is equal to star ptr1. Here star denote dereferencing operator, and hence star ptr1 is nothing but O, that is character capital O. Clear? And this character we are assigned to the star ptr2, and that is why the first element of the character array 2 is 0, capital O. Is it clear? And now you see, the 2 in the bracket 0, this is the first element of the character array 2, becomes capital O. The content of 2 in the bracket 0 is capital O. This is the result of this assignment. Is it clear? Now see the next point, that is we have incremented ptr1 and ptr2. So after incrementation of the ptr1, ptr1 will point to the second element of the array 1, that is k. Is it clear? And that's why I have stored 405 over here. This means after incrementation of the pointer ptr1, content of ptr1 will become 405, that is nothing but address of second element of the array 1. Clear this point? Then you say ptr2 plus plus. So ptr2 plus plus means, previously ptr2 was pointing to the first element of the array 2, but after incrementation ptr2 will point to the second element of the array 2, and that's why 1175 is stored in the ptr2. Content of ptr2 will become 1175. Clear? Now see, after the first pass, what happened is that the content of the array 2 is character O. So this means we have copied the first character of the string OK sir to the array, namely 2. So after second pass, k will be copied over here. Then after third pass, blank space will be copied over here. Then in the fourth pass, s will be copied in 2 3. So element 2 3 will contain after fourth pass the capital S, and like that in sixth pass the R will be copied in the string 2. So after sixth pass the sixth element of the array 2 will contain small r. Is it clear? Now you see, at last the while loop will be terminated because of this /0, because in 7th pass this expression star ptr1 will give the value null value, and that is why while loop will be terminated. Is it clear? And hence after the while loop we have initialized the array 2 by /0. This means after while loop we'll copy /0 character over here, that is content of 26 will become /0. Is it clear? So by using pointer we have copied the content of the array 1, the content of the character array 1, that is okay sir, to the character array namely 2. Understood the working of this program? Thank you.